So our topic for today is about probability. Ano nga ba ang probability? Ang probability simply indicates how likely something is to happen. Ito yung nagpapakita kung gaano kataas yung chance or likelihood na mangyayari ang isang event. At para mas ma-represent and mas ma-visualize ang probability na mangyari ang isang event, it is expressed as a number in the range from 0 and 1, or using percentage notation in the range from 0% to 100. So, ang range ng probability ay nagre-range lang from 0 to 1. Ang probability ay 0 kapag ang event ay impossible mangyari. At ang probability naman ay 1 kapag ang event is certain to occur. The more likely na mangyayari ang isang event, the higher its probability. So, paano nga ba madidetermine ang probability ng isang event? Ang formula natin doon ay P is equal to, or probability is equal to, total number of favorable outcome over total number of outcome. So, para mas maintindihan natin yung probability, let's have an example. So, example number 1, a die is rolled, find the probability that an odd number is obtained. So, paano ba natin ito isosolve? Using the formula. Total number of favorable outcome over total number of outcome. So, ang total number of outcome kapag nag-roll ka ng isang die, it's either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 ang lumabas. Therefore, ang total number of outcome doon ay 6. Ang favorable outcome naman na odd number ang lalabas. Ang mga possible na lumabas na odd number, it's either 1, 3, or 5. Therefore, merong 3 possible ways. So, i-substitute lang natin itong mga values na to dun sa formula. So, ang probability na odd number ang lalabas is equal to 3 over 6. Or by simplifying 3 over 6, the answer is 1/2. So, example number 2, two dice are rolled simultaneously. Find the probability of getting a doublet. So, using again the formula. So, para ma-solve natin to, kailangan natin bilangin isa-isa yung total number of outcome and total number of favorable outcome using the two dice chart. So, makikita dito sa two dice chart yung lahat ng possible ways or possible outcome na lumabas kapag nag-roll ka ng dalawang dice. So, kung bibilangin natin yung total number of outcome, lumalabas na merong 36 ways or total number of outcome, which is equal to 6 times 6 is equal to 36. Ang total number of favorable outcome naman na doublet or parehong face ang lalabas. So, base dito sa two dice chart natin, merong 6. So, it's either 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, or 6, 6. So, substitute lang natin itong mga values na ulit sa formula. So, ang probability na doublet is equal to 6 over 36. And by simplifying that, we have 1 over 6. And that's the final answer. So, let's have example number 3. Two dice are rolled simultaneously. Find the probability of getting a sum of 5. So, gamit ulit yung formula and the two dice chart. So, alam naman na natin na ang total number of outcome is 36. And ang total number of favorable outcome naman, which is the sum of 5. Base dito sa two dice chart, we have 4 ways. So, our favorable outcome is equal to it's either 1, 4, or 2, 3, or 3, 2, or 4, 1. Therefore, meron tayong 4 ways. And substitute lang natin to ulit sa formula. Ang probability na sum of 5 is equal to 4 over 36. In simplifying that, we have 1 over 9.